Welcome to your handover of your Swift Conqueror 560. So we have the gas locker with the regulator there, and you'll have the gas hose that goes onto your bottle. As we go to the side of the caravan, that's the flue for the Aldi central heating and hot water system. That's there for the operation of it being on gas. And then we have the outside water connector with the onboard water pump. So this is the pistol grip, which you pull that back and pull the handle out. You've got the leisure battery and you've got the mains inlet to the side of the caravan. You've got the motor mover, and then we have the cassette toilet. So the top one here is for the water fill to flush the toilet, and then this is the waste tank, and you lift the orange lever up and pull this out and take that away to be emptied. And you empty that by just turning that around and unscrewing that cap and then pressing that down as the pressure relief valve. You have two waste outlets there, one from the kitchen and one from the bathroom area. At the back of the caravan is fitted from the factory is the Thule bike rack. And you got your awning light, and you have a external 240 volt socket and a external barbecue point. Above the door you have your control panel, so that's your on off button, that's your water pump switch, that's your interior light switch, which is that. And then that's your awning light. Then you've also got a switch here. That one does the awning light, and that one does the lights above the kitchen area. So underneath the bed on the right hand side inside the caravan is the main controls. So what you have is underneath there, that silver box there, that's your Aldi heating system to heat the hot water and the central heating. This is your onboard water pump. The yellow lever here is your drain plug. So to drain the system, you lift that lever to the vertical position, and to bring the water in, you have it down. This is the motherboard for the motor mover, and then this is the battery charger, and then this is the consumer unit and fuse box. So to bring the hot water and the room heater to operate, you have that light on, and then you go to the control panel above the door. So that's your on off button, and then you press your menu, and it is just a touch button screen. So you just press that to your temperature setting that you require. That's for the hot water, so you can have it on maximum or just half. And the third one down is the amount of power coming into the caravan, so you can have 1 kilowatt, 2 kilowatts or 3 kilowatts. This one at the bottom here is to operate the hot water and the room heater on gas, and all you do is just press that so the green light comes on. This button here is just the battery charger, and then you have fuses here, and if you pull this down, that is your chart to tell you what fuses operate what appliance. So this is your microwave. That works in the usual way: quick stop, stop, cancel. And then you have a 4 burner hob, 3 being gas, 1 electric, a grill and an oven. So as you can see, we've got the 3 burners going and the electric ones goes, and you'll see the red lights coming on there to identify that the hob is on. And you've got the spark igniter that ignites all the gas, hob, grill and the oven. So you can see you've got the grill, and then you've got the oven flame, And then what you can also do is in the oven there is a light so you can see what you're cooking. Your fridge is a Dometic fridge which operates on 240 volt gas and battery whilst you're towing, 240 volt of gas whilst you're on site. So this is your on off button, that represents the mains electric, and that's gas. And that automatically ignites. And then this is your temperature setting. So the more bars you have on, the colder it will be. And you've got a nice freezer compartment there. Above the kitchen, you've got an extractor fan. All you do is you wind that open, press that on. So on hot days you can get the air being blown in. Or when you're cooking, you can extract. So to bring the water through into the kitchen or the bathroom or the shower, what we do is you press your water pump switch on your control panel, turn the cold tap to the cold. That comes through nicely. Turn it over to the hot. So that'll take a few seconds to fill the hot water tank up. Once it's come through nicely, you can then operate the hot water on either gas or electric, and as you can probably see, you can see the steam, so that's working lovely. So to operate the hot water, you go to the Aldi control panel which is above the door, you press the menu, and it's the second one down, maximum or half to heat that up. So follow through into the bathroom, you've got your hot and cold water here. Same with your shower, you've got your mixer tap there, hot and cold. To the side, right hand side of the sink, you've got two switches. One's for the light above the shower, and the other one is the mirror light. Then you've got your cassette toilet. There's a grey lever to the side which you open the flap, and once you've finished you press the blue button here which does the flush. And as we walk into the the bedroom area, you've got light switches which does the lights above the bed, and then in the wardrobe to the left hand side is the Aldi reservoir. So as you can probably see, you've got minimum and maximum. Always make sure there's 3 mil above the minimum of fluid, and then when it heats it expands and it shouldn't go over the maximum. So just keep an eye on that. At some point it will need topping up. And then to the right hand side of the wardrobe is your freestanding table. Throughout the caravan you've got spotlights which are all individually switched. So we hope you enjoy your new caravan.